All right, today we're gonna bring a mount for your Starlink, all right? And instructions are also included in here. They give you everything that you need. Cable management, this is the screws for the cable management. The actual Allen wrench, including the actual bit, so you could drill the holes, all right? In case you need to drill the holes for this system. Now this is adjustable. It has the actual Allen wrench that becomes a wrench too to tie these up. All right, so we're gonna set this up right now into one of our posts here, and we're gonna face it to the direction that's supposed to be on the Starlink. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, I like that they give you this tool to tighten it up. All right, this is perfect to adjust your actual antenna. All right, so if you need to adjust it, you know, this is a perfect way. The new version of it doesn't have the automatic no more. So, and then I like these feeds right here. If you guys can see that they have extra feeds here for cable feeds, all right, and that's so the cable won't be dangling out of there. And then look at this, and they even have an extra one here, so that's adjustable. And all you got to do is put your antenna one direction, and that's pretty much it. So very simple, basic. So we're gonna set this up right now. All right, once you set up your antenna, the cable that's loose, you could either run it through the side or put it in between here to run it to your main router, and then pull it out. That's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a nice simple way to set up your antenna, all right, and this is a perfect way for your internet antenna. Right now we put it in our post. It's very simple. I was able to screw 2 screws, or 4 if you want, all of them, and then adjust it with the Allen wrench that becomes a wrench too. And I'm able to cable manage the cable itself. Very simple. So at ease, the antenna is pointing to the right direction. I could come here and adjust it. I don't have to go higher than what it is. You could put it higher above trees, but I don't have trees in front of this antenna, which is perfect, and that's where it's supposed to be aiming at. So if you're not sure of direction, follow your instructions on your main router when you get your equipment, and then adjust the antenna how you want. This is removable and replace, and you could take out the pole if you want to shorten it out. You don't have to have it like I have it, but it's a great option to have it, and then do the cable management. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.